Hey y'all, Sai here. Well, my saw, I was doing something wrong apparently, and I melted a blade into the tire. Crazy. So I need to replace my tire. And the top one is pretty bad too. So there's the top one. Same thing. I mean, not as bad as the bottom, but wow. So, putting new tires on. Yikes. So I ordered new tires. This is what came. And this thing. It says, the recommended tools are a bucket of hot. So I read the directions and it said to soak the tires in warm water, which I did. Hot tap water. And then I attempted to put the tires on the wheels. The directions said to clamp the tire in place and stretch it around the wheel. And so I tried that again and again and again, and I finally realized that this just wasn't going to work. And the only way I'm going to be able to do this is to remove the wheels. No stinking way. Hello again! The next day I was all refreshed and ready to tackle this again. Removing these wheels would make a whole video by itself, so I'm just jumping over that part so I can get to the putting on the tires part. Let's just say it took watching a bunch of videos, emailing with Laguna customer service back and forth about 4 times, getting advice from another YouTuber, and the desire just to have my saw running. Ah, got it! Woo! Yay! Yay! Okay, now the hard part is putting the tire on, but I watched a video, and so I'm gonna try to do like they did, which was make like a little jig. But they made the jig and then they just used a vise. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, I took a bunch of notes and I'm gonna try to do what they did, what the guy did. Okay, I'm gonna put it all up there, hopefully so you can see what I'm doing, and so I can see what I'm doing. But what it says is to put a dowel into the table that will hold the wheel like this. Let's put the pretty side up. Then, about a ½ inch away, you put this thing. And you know what? I'm going to have it a little bit further than ½ inch. Oh, I guess that's going to work. I'm going to try it like this. Then, you pre-stretch your tire. I just put it around this vise over here, and I had to hold the table because the table moves. Just like that. Okay, whew. Take the weld of the tire, put it on the other side, and then you hold it down with a vice grip. But I only have this little tiny vice grip, so I hope this works. Okay, whew. Then you put this around this, like that, and you put your PVC pipe or makeshift stuff on it like that, and then you like turn the tire, and this will twirl. So. Still having to pull pretty hard. Kind of scary a little bit. And we'll push that down as you go. Oops, gotta go back a little bit. I wasn't pushing it down. PVC pipe stuck in there. When you get to this part, let your vise go. Huh, look at that. And then you're supposed to be able to twirl it to make sure it's like got even pressure all the way around. Yeah, look at that. Cool. Working. All right. Now, before I take that out, I'm gonna double check to make sure everything's good inside that little groove. My tire has a groove. I guess some people's is flat. Mine's grooved. Oh, came off. Oh, but it stayed on. Yay, look at that! Yay! Yay! I can own a bandsaw. Yay! Huh. All right, that was the first tire. Let's do the second one. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. The second tire went on just as easily. And I put the wheels back on without any problems. Put on a new blade and adjusted the top and bottom blade guides. You cannot believe how excited I am about getting the bandsaw put back together. It's been weeks. So I have a few thank yous for helping me with this. First one is the bandsaw tire installation jig video, which is in the description box below. That really worked, so thank you for that video. Next is a big thank you to Ed from Unemployed Redneck Hillbilly Creations, because I watched his video and then I sent him an email and he emailed me right back. So thanks so much for that, Ed. I want to thank Brian at Customer Service Laguna Tools. Thanks, Brian. I also want to thank Mr. Severson, my friend, who suggested that I film this. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye!